वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की fateh. Hola Mohalla. Do you know why Sikhs celebrate Hola Mohalla? Hola Mohalla was established in 1701 by Guru Gobind Singh Ji, the 10th Sikh Guru. Hola Mohalla was created as a training ground for Sikh warriors known as the Khalsa to demonstrate their combat skills, horse riding, and weaponry expertise. The word Hola comes from holy, while Mohalla means a military parade or organized gathering. Guru Gobind Singh Ji envisioned Hola Mohalla as a disciplined, martial festival that would prepare Sikhs for battle, while also reinforcing their religious faith and brotherhood. Hola Mohalla became an annual tradition to train Sikhs in warfare, strategy, and self-defense, fostering a sense of unity and strength. Hola Mohalla was a serious occasion focused on demonstrations of courage, military tactics, and the Sikh spirit of Chardhi Kala. Today, Hola Mohalla has transformed into a grand cultural and religious festival, attracting thousands of devotees, tourists, and Sikh warriors Nihangs from around the world. While the festival is observed in Sikh communities worldwide, the most largest celebrations take place in Anandpur Sahib, Punjab, where Guru Gobind Singh first introduced the festival. Processions are led by Nihang warriors. The most striking feature of Hola Mohalla is the grand procession led by the Nihang Singhs, an ancient Sikh warrior order known for their blue robes, elaborate turbans, and exceptional combat skills. The main Gurdwara in Anandpur Sahib, Takht Sri Kizkar Sahib, becomes the center of religious activities, where thousands of Sikhs offer prayers and listen to spiritual discourses. Langar is also served. This is a form of selfless service, the spirit of Seva. One of the most beautiful aspects of Hola Mohalla is the spirit of community service. Huge langars, community kitchens, are set up where volunteers prepare and serve free meals to all visitors, regardless of religion or background. Turban tying and strength competitions also take place. Turban tying competitions are a unique part of the festival, where Sikhs compete to tie the most elaborate and beautiful structured turban. Strength competitions such as lifting heavy stones and mock duels showcase the physical endurance and discipline of Sikh warriors. Nighttime celebrations also take place. As the sun sets, the atmosphere is filled with spiritual music, poetry recitals, and storytelling sessions narrating the history and bravery of Sikh gurus and warriors. Hola Mohalla is more than just a festival. It is a symbol of Sikh valor, spirituality, and unity. While it is often mistaken for Holi, it serves a completely different purpose, emphasizing self-discipline, martial training, and community service. Hola Mohalla in Anandpur Sahib is an unforgettable experience, offering a unique blend of history, devotion, and adventure. Whether you are a Sikh devotee, a history enthusiast, or a traveler seeking cultural immersion, this festival promises a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.